Volume down, pause off the neighbor's nerves, and at least cool down before 3 a.m., okay?
Whiskers! Oh, what are you? Stop it! Don't you dare!
Are you sure you can handle it?
Oh my gosh, he's climbing the wall.
No way! No
He's
way!
on the ceiling. He's on the ceiling.